Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to revoke or remove an application's access on WordPress. At any time, you can remove any application's access to your account by taking the following steps. Visit your WordPress.com dashboard. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. On the left side, select the Security option. At the bottom of the screen, select the Connected Apps option to view a list of your connected applications. Revoke access by clicking the Disconnect button next to any application. And by that, no application will have access to your WordPress no more. And that's it, how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.